You asked, how to divide 1536 by 6 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 15. 15 divided by 6 equals 2. 2 times 6 equals 12. 15 minus 12 equals 3. Bring down 3, making 33. 33 divided by 6 equals 5. 5 times 6 equals 30. 33 minus 30 equals 3. Bring down 6, making 36. 36 divided by 6 equals 6. 6 times 6 equals 36. 36 minus 36 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 256.